Good morning friends, welcome to another exciting video of our channel. Today we will do unboxing of Techno Pova 2, which is the latest model and most efficient. Its RAM is 6 GB and its battery is, which make it most prominent than other mobile, is 7000 milliampere. Let's unbox it. I have purchased it today. Now it has been unboxed. Now let me remove it from box. This is the mobile. Let me uncover it. This is one of the most greatest mobile and update mobile. Now let me check about what things are available in box. First thing that I got is it's the back cover of mobile. Wow, what a great color. Too much crystal. This is the warranty card. And this is a little booklet about this mobile. And then this is data cable, and this is charger of this mobile. Now let's switch on mobile phone. My new Techno Pova 2 is going to switch on. It's switched on. First thing that we need to do is we need to select language and then click on start button. Then need to select country. Pakistan. And then click on next button. Connect your mobile. Let me skip it. Skip. Allow, agree, and then click on next. Accept it. Skip anyway. I just only show you about unpacking. Let's start. Wow. This is the mobile that I have purchased today. I hope you like this video. In next video we will discuss about its features and much more things. Thanks for watching our video.